How to start your semen retention journey. Gang. Step by step for complete beginners. The semen retention will literally change your life on that. Just on a mental, physical, and spiritual level, man. So yeah, man, make sure to watch this video all to the end. Welcome back to my channel, guys. The Stay Woke Conversations. Yes, sir. Energy. Now, before I get started, though, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. Smash a like button because to share as many people as possible for all the men, because all the men are down bad, you know, mentally, physically, spiritually. They're lost for purpose, they're bored, they're addicted to social media, they're watching porn, they're masturbating. You understand? Those for all the men out there, you watching this video right now, you need help to get out your animalistic state. You understand? And get to your higher self, your crown chakra, to create and manifest what you want. To become the best version of yourself, then make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. And now this video is for you, and that's why you have to like the video and hit that red subscribe button. And if you want to grow your mind, body, and spirit, then feel free to join the Patreon. So let's get into the video. So first of all, what is semen retention? So semen retention, right? You can have sex, but you have to hold your seed in. Just time, especially a beginner, do not even try that, to hold your seed in and have sex. Now you have the discipline. That's a certain practice I have to do for a period of time, so you're able to do that. So let me be very clear. Do not even attempt. Don't even attempt it because you see someone else do it on this person, whatever. You see him doing that, you're doing it as well. No, you're gonna relapse very quickly. Like you're gonna regret it very quickly. You understand? So do not highly suggest do not have sex, because as soon as you stick your willy inside a woman, and trust me, you're not able to have the control, the discipline to be able to hold your seed in and do what you gotta do. You're not able to do it, and trust me, you're not able to do it. So don't even think about it, but try. Don't even try do it, and do you understand? So it's just holding your seed in. Holding your seed in, you understand? High search, don't wash your corn either, because that will release your seed in that. You'll release your seed very quickly. So hold your seed in. You understand? That is the first of all. So now you understand what semen retention is, to hold your seed in. You can what you call it? Have sex, but which is highly not recommended. You understand? And yeah, that's number one. Number two, when it comes to start the semen retention, is that you have to set your goals. Your goals, and why are you doing it? First of all, what's the purpose? Basically your purpose. What is the purpose of you being on semen retention? Is it to gain self-control? Is it to focus on more purposeful, meaningful things in life? Do you understand? When you want to grow mentally, you want to grow physically, spiritually, whatever your goal is, then you put the time and energy towards that. Do you understand where I'm coming from? That is what you have to do. Make it clear. Okay, cool. Mentally, I want to be sound, and I want to control my urges, and I want to use that energy, and I want to use that energy to work on myself, become smarter, more intelligent, physically, build a gay physique, eat healthy, spiritually get connected to myself, connected to God, because God wants purified human beings, purified. Just how I come from. So if you're releasing your seed now, you're not purified now, and your connection to God is fading away. It's going far away now, because you're not clean. Mentally, physically, you're not clean now. Do you understand? So define your goal. Define your goal, what it's gonna be. Number three, right? Once you define your goal, what it's gonna be, and the purpose, right? Now you have to set a plan to make semen retention worthwhile. So now you create a schedule. Do you understand? And also before you even get to that, is that you have to understand, that whatever bad habits that you have, and you have to set whatever it's on your schedule, you have to set a plan, to find the alternative. Do you understand? I'm not telling you to go to 0 to 100 real quick, but set the alternative to the plan. To your plan that you have. If you've got bad habits, whether it's social media, whether it's whether it's video games, whatever it may be, make sure to have the alternative ready. So mentally, so how do you want to improve? You want more intellectual? You need to start reading books, and go to Amazon, eBay, get a book to read, and you understand? Whether it's on money or on money or on food, whatever it may be, get that book and order it. Boom. In your basket, order it now. Do you understand? So mentally, you're exercising your brain. As much as it's important to have a what you call a good physique, you have to also exercise your brain in that, to open your creativity, imagination, opens those neurons in your brain. Yeah. So you have to be very clear, and let me be very clear on that. Get a book. Just down. First of all, if you not like reading, then you listen to podcasts and that. Listen to podcasts. You understand where I'm going from? If you enjoy collecting information that way. So once you've gone through that phase, then you want to pick a skill that you want to learn. You understand? I'll just give you suggestions for you. Decide what you choose what you want to add on that list. Pick a skill you want to learn, whether it's playing a sport, whether it's real estate, whether it's anything, any field in that. Put the time and energy towards that. Put the 10,000 hours towards that. Do you understand? Which is like around 5 to 8 years. Depending on how much time and effort you put in. Then physically, then decide how do you want to transport that energy physically. So you're gonna go to the gym, you're gonna lift weights, or you're gonna do bodyweight training, or you're gonna do combat sport, or you're gonna play sports. Choose what you want to do and stick to it, what you enjoy and passionate about to do. That's what you're gonna last. Don't do something because your friend does bodyweight training, or he does he does boxing, and he's gonna do as well, but you don't enjoy doing it. Then you just following the crowd. You're just being a sheep. You're not being a leader of yourself. So choose choose a physical activity that you're gonna enjoy to do, that you're gonna do for a long time, like you're brushing your teeth. But you don't think about every morning brushing your teeth. You do it automatically. Spiritually, so how you get spiritually, give me more sound. Okay, you're gonna practice mindfulness 5 to 10 minutes a day, in the morning, evening, boom. Do you understand? Or you tap in more to religion, learn more about religion. Whether you're a Christian, you're a Muslim, learn more about religion, the philosophies, the core device of religion. Learn that and look to improve your life on a spiritual level. I was also mental, physical. Do you understand? So you get closer to God, get closer to the higher power. So now you say you all go to mental, physical, spiritual. Now you're ready. Now it's all about now to execute now. Relentlessly execute day in, day out. Work on yourself mentally, physically, spiritually. But that's when you get the rewards of semen retention. If you do not work on yourself mentally, physically, spiritually, you will not get the rewards of semen. You just completely waste your time. Don't even start. Do not even start your journey on semen retention journey. And also be very aware. The next step is that you are going to be suffering. You are going to get challenged in that. Do you understand? So you might come across it on social media. You might come across where you call half-naked female, or you might cross. You might cross. What am I gonna say? You might cross films and that, and you see a sex act down there. So you are going to get challenged in different ways in that, because as time goes on, you get more, the testosterone is going to build up, the aggressiveness, the competitiveness is going to build up. So you can either control that energy, you can either use your logic and transportation even further, keep putting the work in, keep dwell upon improving yourself, or you would say, this is too much now. Now you just see your body now. Now you get caught up in short-term gratification. This is too much now. Let me watch porn and boom, I see the way. Oh, let me go and smash this female. That's what will happen in that. Just so but the energy you'll feel the energies will get very strong, very, very powerful, strong on that. Just and you will get you'll want to like let it out, but you have to use your head. Don't use your hands in that. Don't use your lower head. Your lower head don't give a fuck about you. So do not bother using your hand and put it into start playing with your joystick. Don't do that. Just tap into your mind. So okay, how can I use that energy? How can I use that energy more? What can I do? What can I add to my schedule? That's what you need to do now. But as time goes on, it gets harder. As you go past the 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, it will get harder and harder, more challenging. Just that's not a joker. That's your life force energy, but it's a powerful thing on the earth. Most powerful thing. So continue to improve, continue to dwell upon improving all the time. Be as busy as possible. Once you do that, now, then your semen retention story journey is going to be a successful one. But there'll be challenges in that. And if you relapse, I have to make it clear though, if you relapse, it's part of the journey. Learn from your lessons. If you're bored of matter, so you realize no, you need to add more to your schedule. If you are social media addiction, if you got caught on social media and that's why you relapse, then you need to delete the apps. Be on your phone for a minimum point of time. Does that go from? That's what you gotta do. If you're bored of that, if you are you lack purpose. So hold a minute, you need to go back to why did you start semen retention in the first place? Why did you start? Is it because you want to go mentally, physically? Is it because you to gain self-discipline, self-control over self? Go back to always go. Actually, matter of fact, it's cool always to remind yourself of the purpose of why you started semen retention first. Or if you feel down, you feel like why you doing this, just stand. Or you feel lonely, whatever, nah, then make sure to go back and read your notes on your phone or on a piece of paper on why you started semen retention. And once you do that, then you become unstoppable. You understand? You will learn from lesson. You'll fall over one time, two times. Learn from lesson. You get back up and keep going. Before you know it, before you can be on simultaneous for a very long time. But it's not about how long you've been in. As that you making the days count, not counting the days. Do you understand where I'm coming from? You making the days count, not counting the days. Otherwise, it could be if you get caught up in counting the days and that, oh, I'm X, Y, Z and that, you get caught up and say, yo, what's the point in doing this? Like, I mean, I want to like, yo, I want to clap cheeks and that. The devil will come to your ear and say, yo, you're not gonna clap cheeks or something like that. You're gonna be on simultaneous forever or something. You clap cheeks and then that's it. You release the seed in that. You understand? But if it's the right person and that, and like someone you want to be with and that's a different matter, and I say, yo, this is the time now to release my energy, put this energy towards this woman and that, then that's completely fine. But if it's not because of that, bro, you need to dwell upon improving yourself, becoming the best of yourself, being the person that you want to become. That's it. So that is how you start your semen retention journey as a beginner, complete beginner. And I broke it down step by step. So with that being said, I appreciate watching the video. If I make sure to join the Patreon if you want to go on Mind, Body and Spirit and my 1v1 consultation course. And yeah, man, that's pretty much all God say for this video. I appreciate for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Retain, gang, 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 gang. Let's go. You got this.